What if you could type in navbar, hit enter, and you get a navbar? At a loss for words? Well, the Bootstrap God is going to show you how to do this. So first of all, let's just undo what we have done. So for now we have a blank web page. This is test.html. So I type in navbar and I have all these options to choose from. I type in background and then I get the navbar with I just get the navbar instantly. How does this happen? And it's not just one type of navbar. I have the default navbar and many more which you can check out. So how do we do this? Now let me again take this out. So for this you need to use Visual Studio Code. It is a code editor. I've used Sublime Text, Atom, and now I'm using Visual Studio Code, and of the three I think this is the best. And the best thing about this is it comes with extensions. So if I go down here to extensions, I have many extensions enabled. I started with Python and then enabled everything else. So what I use is this extension called Bootstrap 4 Font Awesome 4 5 Snippets. So what this does is anything that is in Bootstrap 4, the latest version, it can generate for you. Like you just have, it's a lot of documentation. So yeah, you can look into that, and that is, well, if you install that, then you will. And if I erase all of the code, save the file, okay, the web page is empty. If I type B4, then you can see there is a Bootstrap master template here. I hit enter and I have the full Bootstrap master template with all the CDNs loaded with the integrity check. And I can type in the title like, oh hey, and then yeah, and then I can use Bootstrap. I can now type in nav. What is that? Oh, okay. Yes, I can type in navbar and all that. Navbar. I have now got a navbar here. See, it's so quick. So this is how you get instant navbars. There are many types of navbars you can choose from. You can customize them. And in my next video, I'll be showing you how to build a Bootstrap website in a very less time. I'll be trying to make something like this. This is a sample website I just developed. So yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.